Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 5 of your shortcomings, which will not be noticed by a man in love. Oh, what horror, what will happen, when he sees that I have not such a flat stomach as in pantyhoses? Such a question is asked by women who are at least somewhat dissatisfied with their appearance. Men are surprised, what is she talking about? First, if a man stayed with you for the night, he saw you out, then, most likely, he managed to notice how you look and appreciate all the delights of your body. We note on the way that sometimes imaginary flaws still become delights. Secondly, not everyone likes skin and bones, many prefer women in the body. Thirdly, if you excite a man before he separates you, it is unlikely that his passion will fade when he calculates calories, he thinks in other categories. Not a ceremonial look. The most common female error, I will like him. Yesterday you were beautiful, like the Queen of Great Britain at the reception of the ambassador, and today she went out to take out the garbage and met him. Remember, men do not see all these trifles, they perceive the image as a whole, and if the program of desire to win you is already running, you cannot run from all the hiding places in the closet if you met him not with all the parade. It will only lead him, if he finds out how different you are. As for the intimate haircut, show me a man who checks her presence before proceeding. Whims and helplessness. And these men, on the contrary, love. The myth that they are annoying is just a myth. Because first of all it is important for them to feel themselves as males and conquerors. Give him plenty to take care of you, and sometimes you can even play along. I know a girl who is a huge success for men, while she is a successful employee and she used to do everything herself. However, every time starting a relationship with a man, the first thing she asked him to come for her, feed her and cope with her headache. Having passed this test, a man admitted to be a man and felt himself a winner. Remark for women, men are helpless until they have someone to fight for. Non-sexual underwear. Everyone remembers the passage from Bridget Jones, when she wore grandmothers with fleece to the party, not thinking that after the party the first night with the man of her dreams will take place. The most interesting is that this law of villainy works always, as soon as we are least ready for something. This is happening. Therefore, the main thing here is not to run away and not be embarrassed, but to laugh together with the object of passion. Besides, I'll remind you once again that he does not care at all what's on you when he dreams of seeing you without anything. Inexperience in sex. In the opinion of men, this is dignity. Because in this case he will feel the main hero of your life. Some, of course, like experienced girls, but be sure that if you honestly say that you cannot do something, he will gladly teach you everything and learn new things with you. Men even less love to know about your ex-ones than you. What if he was better? Let him know that as it was with him, there never was. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.